Welcome back into Rouse's in West Mobile in the beautiful Culinary Center alongside the one and only Chef Nino.
That's right. Thank y'all for watching. This could be a good show.
You agree that you're the one and only?
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, I didn't say it. Just rein you in and talk about this delicious chili you got going on today.
If you want to learn how to make good, healthy turkey chili like this here, you need to watch this show, okay? All right? I'm going to go ahead and plate some now, let it be cooling off.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, because I remember a couple times I didn't, and it burned the lips of the, you know what I'm saying? And so.
Yeah, I've lost 50% of my taste and I've never recovered.
You don't need the COVID, you got Nino.
There you go.
We're back.
So this is healthy, it's great, and you're going to show us the steps to how to get to that point.
We're going to do. Oh, okay, we're going to start off with a couple of pounds of some ground turkey. All right, there we are. And we're going to crank that fire up. Yes, indeed.
Crank that fire.
Man, it's storming outside. You know, it was raining so hard yesterday in Houma, Louisiana, the animals started to get in pairs. They thought the boat was coming.
No little Noah's Ark situation going on? I got you. I got you.
So while that's browning, okay, that ground turkey, which is 98% fat-free, really healthy, delicious. Turkey is kind of dry because it don't have the fat, but in a chili like this, you're not going to know any difference. But some other stars in our, instead of onions, bell peppers, and celery, we have our Rouse's fresh cuts already cut up for you.
The Trinity, ready to go.
Ready to go, yes sir. All right. Then we have some black beans, some kidney beans, red kidney beans, put whatever bean you want. What other beans we could put in there?
There's lots of different beans.
Cannellini beans, Mr. Bean, but anyway, and then we have our own Rouse's, check this out, diced tomatoes with green chilies, look at that, and Rouse's tomato sauce. This is going to be a good chili. As that's cooking, you're going to put a beer in there, and it calls for 2 beers, one to drink and one to put in the...
That's in the recipe, right?
Yes, sir, it is.
You got to break that down specifically
Folks,
for them.
follow the chef's instruction.
And that's an amber lager too, so it has a little bit more flavor to it than, you know.
It's deeper, it's richer, and it's going to go good with the beef broth there. Okay.
All right, so we've got all these ingredients, we've got spices, we've got the turkey going. I know in the next segment too, you're going to talk to Chelsea about these
in-house family meals.
Family meals ready to go.
Let us do the cooking for you. Everybody's busy. Awesome. You know, you're a man of great importance, and
thank you.
There's sometimes when you don't have time to go shopping, so you can just come to the Rouse, let us do the cooking, and you can take home one of these masterpieces, slip it right in the oven, and they are great.
And even if you're not a man of great importance, they're available to you as well. We're going to come back in just a bit more with Chef Nino here at Rouse's.
Don't leave me.
This is the second segment with Chef Nino here at Rouse's in West Mobile, having a lot of fun, and we're making something hearty and warm this morning.
Hearty, warm, and very, very healthy. We're making a turkey chili, and if you want to learn how to do this kind of chili, stay tuned, and you can get the recipe on Rouse.com or Fox10TV.com.
That's right. So we've been working on it so far, and it looks like you've got quite a lot of turkey in there.
We had 2 pounds of turkey, okay? We browned it. Now we're going to put our Rouse's fresh cuts, onions, bell peppers, and celery. Just let that saute for just a little while. And while that is cooking, let me show you what else we're going to be putting in there, okay? All right. We have some green chilies with tomatoes. We have some tomato sauce. And I'm going to put a little bit of Rouse's marinara pasta sauce in there. And of course, we're going to put a beer. Look at our beans. We got some red beans and some black beans, okay? You can put whatever style you want with a little bit of sugar. Now, for seasoning, it calls for cumin, chili, cayenne, paprika, salt, and pepper. Or you can get Chef Nino's, make it Mexican. Hey, how about that, huh?
I like it. And speaking of seasonings, we're going to tell folks in the next segment about a new one that you've got coming out.
Oh, man. You know, I've been going back and forth to Belize a lot.
Yeah.
I've been studying their cooking, and the Caribbean countries use allspice, nutmeg, cinnamon, and clove in their seasoning. So I got to make it Caribbean coming up.
We'll show you that one next. The packaging looks really good. I haven't had the opportunity to taste it yet, but it is brand new and in Rouse's stores right now. So it looks like we're going ahead. And is this the tomato juice?
That's the tomato sauce. This is tomatoes and green chilies. All right, and this is my Rouse's tomatoes marinara sauce, and we're going to put a beer.
Now, how long do you like for your chili to sit? The chili is one of those recipes that the longer it sits, sometimes the better.
That cooked for 3 hours.
Wow.
Once I put all the ingredients together, I let it cook 3 hours on simmer. Yeah, and you want to watch it now because the liquid might evaporate it so much, and you might want to put a little more broth or something like that, you know? So when we come back, I just want to let this cook down. We're going to add the beans, and we're going to do the final touches to it. But really, the longer this cooks, the better. And the next day, it tastes better. You ever found that?
I love
It's
it with
tomato
taco
sauce.
soup too.
Yeah, anything with tomatoes or whatever, it tastes better the second day.
All right, well, we'll finish this recipe next on Studio 10 with Chef Nino.
Thank y'all for watching.
Welcome back. We are working on this turkey chili with Chef Nino here at Rouse's.
We're started?
We started. Are
Oh
you
my
ready?
goodness, yeah. What camera? Okay, good. All right, we're finished. We're finishing up the turkey chili. I'm getting sage fright. I'm afraid of sage.
But we don't have sage in this.
Yeah, but I'm afraid of it. Why do you think I'm not using it?
We are in a grocery store, so it's
Hello?
somewhere around here. Anyways.
All right, now we're gonna add our beans. All right, whoa, I've spilled the beans. Okay, all right, there we are. We have our red beans and our black beans. Are you okay, ma'am?
I think I'm okay.
They finally got the medicine right. More steak. All right, and we put our chicken broth, or our beef stock, you can do chicken, and a little bit of brown sugar. Now, at this point, we're gonna lower the fire. We're gonna put it on simmer. Literally 3 hours of cooking. All them flavors gonna come together. That turkey's gonna get moist. The turkey's gonna get in the sauce. The sauce gonna get in the turkey. There's gonna be that glorious exchange of flavors, and it's almost like a kaleidoscope of flavors. And you look through it at the light, and you see the greens and the reds and everything. Okay, all right.
I think I just went to another planet there for a second. Okay, so we're gonna let this simmer for 3 hours. And speaking of easy meals, you guys always provide really easy family meals here at
Yes, let me
Rouse's.
grab a couple of them. Look what they look like. You're in a hurry, so let us do the cooking for you, all right? Come to the Rouse's Deli, called Family Meals, in Rouse's in-house. Great initiative by the Rouse's, very convenient. Spaghetti and meatballs, what we have here? We have chicken Alfredo, chicken carbonara, and what is that one over here? There's all kinds.
This one.
Chicken parmesan and carbonara. Yeah, there's several kinds. They even have street taco kits. I couldn't bring all 10 or 12 of them here, but yeah, check it out in the deli.
And also something, this should be on your store shelves now. This is Chef Nino's brand new season.
Make it Caribbean.
I love the color of this, but you were just telling us you're kind of infusing all these flavors into one season.
Exactly. So no Caribbean flavors I know of on the shelf. So now there will be in a couple weeks. Yeah.
I love it.
So
Okay.
folks, you're gonna love this chili. So let me know what you think of that. All right. Yeah, that's a chili. And why I chose chili, even though it's still warm, chili goes good with any backyard barbecue. You can make up a bunch of it and bring to a church gathering, a picnic, family gathering, whatever.
Fall will be here before we know it, though, and it tastes
Fall
just
is in
like
the air.
and it tastes just like good cold weather. So make sure you make this. We'll have this recipe on fox10tv.com, rouses.com. Until next time.
Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you at one of the Rouses, everybody.